In the heart of the Amazon, two apex predators share one hunting ground. The jaguar, stealthy, patient, and armed with the most powerful bite of any big cat. The caiman, a living fossil, armored in scales and waiting just beneath the water's surface. The jaguar stalks from the shadows, eyes locked on its prey. A sudden leap. Silence shatters. Its jaws clamp down on the back of the caiman's skull with over 1/500 psi of force. But the caiman thrashes, twisting violently, snapping its jaws in defense. Water churns, mud flies, one fight for survival. Then, stillness. When the dust settles, only one predator reigns supreme in the jungle's deadly balance. Who wins? The caiman's armor or the jaguar's precision?